What's up, guys? I'm back with another video. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys my pocket knife collection. So we're gonna go from my least favorite to my favorite. This one, it's all black. Has this little thing you put on your pocket. It's really basic. It's pretty big though. It's compared to my hand. Just opening it. This one I use for like a lot. It's paint's coming off right there. It has the blade right there. And it has that, whatever that is. With these, you don't want to rub your finger across. You want to do that so you don't cut yourself wide open. This one right here, you push this little thing to the side. It's hard doing this one-handed. And then you do this, and then it closes. That's my least favorite one, but I do love it. This one is red, obviously. This has this little cool rope thing. It has the pocket thing. These are, I think, both the same brand. I got this out of a survival kit. I will show you guys this in a different video. Here, same. It's all the same thing. All the same thing, just looks a little bit different. Same thing to close it. Safety lock thing. This one is my favorite. The LL Bean. Right here. Focus. Right there. If you smell it, it smells like pure leather. So, I'm gonna take it out of this case. This leather case. Here's the case. And here's the pocket knife. It looks really cool. It looks like antique. This camera will focus. It looks like it's wooden, but it's actually not. And there is actually 3 different knife parts. The knife I use the most is this one. It even says LL Bean right there. Focus there. And then there's this one, which I've never used this one. Actually, I might have used this one once. Here. This one does not say LL Bean on it. And then this last one I've never used. This one is weird. I've never even opened this. Oh, this one looks different. This is what the last one looks like. This is actually my first time even looking at this. So I got all of these for Christmas. I got this one in that, what was it? In a survival kit I got 2 survival kits. One has the other knife in it too. And then this one I got from my brother. And then this one that's in the case I got from Santa. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy my pocket knife collection. If you do, please go like, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. But before I go, I just want to say, summer's here. I'm going to be posting a lot more. I'm about to get a new 4-wheeler, so we're going to go mudding. It's this mudding place called Zona, which we're going to go mudding a lot there. So, yeah. Please like, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya.